Hello, my name is Tom Zimmerman, and this video is a summary of my data mining project at Hood College. The questions I set out to answer using the data mining techniques learned this past semester were: can a classification model be trained to replicate the quality ratings of wines that human taste tests receive? Number two, which data classification models perform best? Can the physiochemical attributes of wine be reduced to a critical few and still allow the classification model to retain its accuracy levels? And four, what are the attributes that help discriminate a fine wine from a mediocre wine? I used a publicly available data set that included both red wines and white wines from Portugal. The data included over 6,500 tastings with quality classifications, and each record included 11 physiochemical features of the wines. So what did I learn? The most effective data classification technique was the decision tree and the support vector machine for the red wines. The white wine data classification models that performed best were the decision tree and the K nearest neighbor classifier. After determining the best methods for wine classification, I methodically reduced the number of features down to a critical few and yet still retained the classification accuracy of the model, which in fact was the case after experimentation. Using all 11 features of the wine test data set, I was able to receive an accuracy rating of 89%. After I reduced the features to a critical few, which included alcohol, chlorides, sulfates, and most of the acid features, I was still able to obtain accuracy levels in the 86 to 87% levels. Some additional observations included red wines and white wines are impacted differently by different features. For example, alcohol has a larger impact on white wine than reds. I also learned how individual features are either directly or inversely related to quality, how combinations of features and measures impact wine quality, and finally how the value of information gained on features have a material impact on model performance, more so than on the quantity of data. Red wine data had less data but better discriminating value sets, which resulted in improved classification results. Thank you for your time.